Let's do part and assembly of manual rocker arm punching machine. See, this is kind of punching machine. There are many parts. It's still under process. So we are going to model one by one each and every part. All dimensions in millimeters. This is part one, part two. So let's sketch part one. This is a kind of screw guide which moves the punch up and down. So okay, let's see. Height 50, here 88. We will make this one. Then this diameter, there is a 1 inch thread, unified national course thread, half inch, 13 inch per thread, 13 thread per inch. Now, then, okay. Let's see how we can see the pitch is given here 8 millimeter. And if you see, there is a part 1 and this is the section of this hole. This is the thread of this pitch. 4.24 is width. High. From this side 2.8356 and angle 29 degree. We will see how we can achieve this. Now see the outer diameter 23. Let's try. Front plane sketch. Now let me do one thing. Activate line tool. Okay. Now let's make height first. Upper height 50 millimeter. $88. See, now, okay, make this one construction line so that it allow us to apply diameter. Select this circle. If I move cursor outside, it will show you diameter, inside radius. Keep outside. This is half inch. Half inch means 24 by 25.4 by, this is 12.5. Okay. Similarly, the bottom one, this is the outer diameter 23. Okay, now still we need to fix one point. Now select this origin point, fix at center midpoint, because we need this model to create thread on main body. So maybe this point we need at the time of subtraction. Now go to feature, apply revolve boss base feature. See, this profile is open because of this construction line. So system asks, would you like to close? Say yes. Now look, by default system took this line as an axis of revolution. And angle also apply 360. Okay. See here. Now for better visibility, I'm going to apply some color. Okay. Now here we have to create threading. So threading, I will create one plane, make little above. Select this plane 8 millimeter above. Okay. Now select this plane, sketch, select outer circle, convert entity. Okay. Now go to feature, apply helix and spiral. Now here I am going to choose height and pitch. Now height, reverse direction, pitch is given 8. Okay. Height, let's try 100. Make a little bigger than this because I want to cut thread here. So 108. Okay, this fine. Pitch 8, start angle 0 clockwise direction. Oh, that's fine. Apply. Hide. Now let's apply front plane sketch. Now let me create here thread. And draw one line from midpoint to midpoint. This is the midpoint and this is the midpoint. Right click, exit. Now select this line, construction and horizontal. Smart dimension, let's define this. 29 degrees is the angle. Now this height 2.8356 and depth 4.25. Okay. Now we have to fix this point. Hold shift key, select this helix and spiral. If you leave cursor, you will see this option, make piers. Look, this is fully defined sketch. Now let's go to feature, apply swept cut. Simply exit and here apply swept cut. Sketch profile, sketch already selected. You have to define here path. So I'm going to select this helix as a path. Now you will see. Okay. Look. Now click on the helix side. See. Select this face, sketch, activate circle and let me draw a 19 diameter circle. Okay. Now select this outer circle and inner circle, hold shift key and make here concentric. See, apply extruded boss base and here keep end condition blind and move in one direction only 10 millimeters. Say okay. See at bottom, see this is 10 millimeter 19. Now here also we have thread, we have to apply and chamfer also at thread depth 20. I am going to apply here chamfer, constant angle distance 1 into 45 degree. Okay. Let's drop down whole wizard thread. Now you have to choose edge, cylinder edge. So select this edge, but I am going to apply, start from this, select face, select this top face. See, so thread going to start from here, but at this corner there will be maybe too much, something like 5 millimeter, make it above, reverse. Start from above 5 millimeter, keep end condition blind, depth make 20. And see here, there is one option called maintain thread length. Total length, this is going to be 20, including this 5 millimeter above. So here select maintain thread length. Now this bottom length 20, this is 5, 25 total. Okay. Now I want to cut thread here. So inch dia. Now here 1 by half inch 13 UNC. See here, this is the value. Cut thread, right hand thread. Say okay. And look here. Select this face, sketch. Let me draw make sure this is vertical. Now here I am going to activate rectangle. I want to cut this. Select mirror about. Mirror about this line, make sure you selected copy. Now these outer portion we need to cut. So you can define any length and something like now this seems fully defined sketch. These portion we need to cut. Apply extruded cut. Now here I am going to choose up to surface and thread cut up to this surface. See. See here, this is cut out depth 10 millimeter. Let me save. This one is part 1. Screw guide.